The benefits of magnesium for sports performance. Hello, health-conscious viewers. Welcome back to Small Health Channel. Today we're delving into an essential topic for all you sports enthusiasts out there: why you should consider taking magnesia before engaging in physical activities. So, grab your notepads because we're about to explore the incredible benefits of magnesium for your body's performance in sports. Why magnesium is crucial for sports performance. Magnesium, a vital mineral, plays a pivotal role in our overall health, but its significance becomes even more pronounced when it comes to sports and physical activities. Let's take a closer look at why magnesium should be a part of your sports routine. 1. Muscle power. First and foremost, magnesium plays a pivotal role in muscle function. Muscles need magnesium to contract and relax efficiently. When you engage in sports, your muscles are working overtime, and magnesium helps prevent muscle cramps and spasms. By ensuring you have enough magnesium, you can maximize your muscle power and endurance during physical activities. 2. Energy booster. Another key reason to consider magnesia is its involvement in energy production. Magnesium is a cofactor for enzymes responsible for converting food into energy. When you exercise, your body demands more energy, and magnesium facilitates this process. Essentially, magnesium gives you the stamina and endurance needed to perform at your peak during sports. 3. Electrolyte balance. Maintaining the proper electrolyte balance is vital for athletes. Magnesium plays a crucial role in regulating electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium. This balance is essential for nerve and muscle function and maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. By taking magnesia before sports, you can help ensure that your body's electrolyte balance is in check. 4. Oxygen delivery. Oxygen is essential for sports performance, and magnesium plays a role here too. It helps transport oxygen to your muscles, improving their efficiency and reducing the risk of fatigue. This means you can go longer and harder in your sports activities. 5. Recovery time. Last but not least, magnesia can speed up your recovery time. After a rigorous sports session, your muscles might be sore and fatigued. Magnesium aids in muscle recovery, reducing post-workout discomfort. So, by taking magnesia up front, you can bounce back quicker and be ready for your next sports challenge. So, there you have it, folks. The incredible advantages of taking magnesia before you hit the field, court, or gym. From enhancing muscle power and energy to maintaining electrolyte balance and improving recovery, magnesium is your secret weapon for achieving peak sports performance. Remember, consult with a healthcare professional before adding any supplement to your routine, but magnesia might just be the game changer you've been looking for. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Small Health Channel for more insightful content. And as always, stay active, stay healthy, and keep reaching for your sports goals. Until next time, take care.